Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Wednesday. Are you ready for a nor'easter? But before you get too excited, from what I'm seeing right now, it doesn't look like a lot of snow here in Boston. Maybe at the tail end we could get a dusting to an inch or two, but that's about it. But if you live far enough north and west, boy, you could hit the jackpot. Ski country's going to get whacked, so that's good stuff for you skiers. Psyched about that. All right, let's get into it and see what's going on in terms of the weather headline. A colder Wednesday, that's today. Temperatures only in the mid-30s, a gusty northwest wind. Then a storm is brewing. A storm is coming tomorrow. Rain along the coast, heavy snow, probably from northern Worcester County, west and north up into New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine, where they're going to get clocked. Looks like a cold and windy Friday. So let's get into it. I'm going to use the European on this, okay? So this is valid, 1 o'clock Thursday. They say the low center actually forms around the Chesapeake Bay area. This storm will continue to intensify quickly, moving northeast, but notice the absence of high pressure north of us. That's a telltale sign right there that we're not going to get a big snowstorm here in Boston. We're going to have an east and southeast wind. Water temperatures are running in the upper 40s, so forget about it along the coast. But behind this, a cold, windy blast of air is coming in here on Friday. So here's the low center, 1 o'clock Thursday. Then we jump ahead now. This is 1 o'clock Friday morning. The low center cuts right across Chesapeake Bay, over the Cape, and into the Gulf of Maine. They're going to get clocked from Portland north and west as well. Boy, some of the mountains up here could get 1.5 feet of snow in northern New Hampshire and western Maine. Very cold and windy air follow. There's a little storm back in the Plain States that may give us a little snow here on New Year's Eve, just what you want to hear. Now, this is the European snowfall. The little light gray here means a dusting to an inch of Boston out to about 128. But once you get into this blue zone, probably in Worcester and points north, 4 inches or more. High ground to Worcester County, the pink zone, 6+, and this lighter shade of pink is over 1 foot of snow in southwest of New Hampshire up towards the Lakes region. That's what they're going with right now. So this is where the heaviest snow falls, from the Berkshires to Portland to Burlington to Littleton, New Hampshire, where Bob Copeland's going to be skiing. I'm sure. I'm jealous. Not fair. Okay, eventually I think we'll get ours. The question is when. I just don't see it for Boston anytime soon. But for today, it's partly sunny, breezy and colder, 35 to 40. Overnight, increasing clouds and cold, 24 to 31. Here's your 5-day forecast. Any snow in Boston, if it does start to snow, quickly goes to rain. It's windy, about 40. Heavy wet snow well inland. Temperatures fall back to about 21 late tomorrow night. Now, there still is a chance tomorrow evening as the storm ends, it could end to snow in Boston with slippery roads. We're going to have to watch that potential for you. Finally, on Friday, partly cloudy, windy, and cold, near freezing. Increasing clouds Saturday, maybe a touch of light snow late or at night. There might be some slick roads New Year's Eve. Don't freak yet. It'll be 35. And Sunday, partly cloudy, 37. More rain and snow is likely here next Monday. Right now, I favor rain along the coast. So there you go. That's my latest forecast. Thanks for checking in. Please stay tuned for updates. I'm Mark Rosenthal. Enjoy your Wednesday.